Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
Average people on the street, they want to take real drastic measures, and they're about to, and it's going to get nasty, and I support them 100%. Thanks, Johnny. Let's go to Gary in Kingsville, Maryland. Hi, Gary.
You just hit me.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
I called about Robert Kennedy Jr., but since you're talking about Hamas right here at the moment, I'll throw my 2 cents in. I'm really surprised after all that Israel has gone
No, motherfucker. No.
No. I'm surprised that they have that black box that everybody has to go visit in Mecca every year, walk around. I'm surprised Israel hasn't dropped a bomb on that thing.
You just hit me. You just hit me. It doesn't matter. I want to file a report. I don't care. No. I'm going to follow you to wherever you go for hitting me. I don't care. You hit me. Whatever you say. Hello? Did you hear that? This woman just hit me. They finally pull over. They're swearing at me. He says, if you follow me, I'll kill you. They can hear me. I don't care. That's why you shouldn't hit me. I don't care. You just admitted you hit me. No. Did you hear that? It's a Michigan license. Now she just threw a can into my windshield. Michigan license plate. It's a Jeep 4x4. Now they just threw a bag at me. EMK 3152. I have a dash cam that just caught him throwing shit at my car, too.
140 Edward Street, St. Thomas.
Jackpot time versus responsible gaming.
Yep.
Knowledge you can bet on. 18 plus only.
Oh, Jesus! What the fuck?
Here from Classic Rock Mornings, and I've got to tell you about the fantastic experience I had recently with Standard Auto Glass. Sometimes life comes at you hard.
Help make the season light and delicious. And while you're at it, Christmas cheap. Make the holidays yours with the season's best savings on top appliances at the Home Depot.
That's a cop.
Festivals, football,
Dude.
great outdoors.
Okay, Garmin.
People say fall
Say
is the
video.
best time of the year. It may also be a great time to consider getting vaccinated against COVID-19. Sponsored by BioNTech and Pfizer.
If you're not careful, you can overpay for a dime and buy thousands of dollars. Most people.
After half a mile, take the exit right, 126B, towards the Civic Center, then, go straight ahead, San Benito Street.
What's going on here? Am I missing something in this world, bro?
Take the exit right, 126B, then, go straight ahead.
Is he running? He's not fucking running, is he? No fucking way. What am I watching? What the fuck? It's crazy, dude.
After 700 feet, go straight ahead,
Yeah, he's
San
not
Benito
pulling
Street,
over, dude.
then